Have you ever wondered what it's really like to go to a French baking school? Well, today, I'm taking you with me for a full day at Le Cordon Bleu in Paris. Let's go. My day starts super early. I'm up at 6 a.m., grab a quick coffee and a croissant, because when in France, right? And then it's on to the metro. The school is buzzing with energy even at this hour. Everyone's dressed in their crisp white uniforms, ready to tackle whatever sweet challenge the day brings. First up, we have our 3-hour practical class. We walk into the kitchen, and it's just incredible. Gleaming copper pots, the smell of butter and sugar in the air, and our chef, a true master of French pastry, waiting for us. Today's lesson is all about pâte choux, the classic dough used for eclairs, cream puffs, and those beautiful croque-bouche towers you see at weddings. Chef starts with a demonstration. His hands move with such precision and speed. It's like watching an artist at work. He makes it look so easy, piping perfect little shapes, explaining the science behind why the dough puffs up in the oven. Every detail matters, from the temperature of the water to how you incorporate the eggs. We're all scribbling notes like crazy, trying to absorb every single tip. Then, it's our turn. My heart is pounding a little as I head to my station. It's go time. I measure my flour, melt the butter, and get my arm workout for the day by beating the dough until it is smooth and glossy. The first attempt, well, let's just say it was a learning experience. My dough was a bit too runny. But our chef is amazing. He comes over, shows me where I went wrong, and encourages me to try again. That's one of the best things about being here. You're allowed to make mistakes. It's all part of the process. My second batch of choux pastry is much better. Into the oven they go. The next 25 minutes feel like an eternity. I'm peeking through the oven door every 2 seconds, watching them puff up into beautiful golden orbs. It's pure magic. While they bake, we whip up a rich crème pâtissière or pastry cream. We infuse the milk with real vanilla bean, and the whole kitchen smells absolutely heavenly. Finally, the moment of truth. My choux puffs are out of the oven, cooled, and ready to be filled. I carefully pipe the vanilla cream inside each one, and then it's time for the final touch. A glossy chocolate glaze. I dip each puff, trying my best to get that perfect, smooth finish like Chef did. They're not as flawless as his, of course, but I'm honestly so proud of them. After the practical, we have a short break for lunch, and then it's time for theory class. Today we're learning about the history of French desserts, from medieval tarts to modern patisserie. It's fascinating to understand the culture and stories behind the pastries we're relearning to create. It gives so much more meaning to the craft. The day ends with the best part, tasting our creations. We all gather around, share our eclairs and cream puffs, and get feedback from our chef and classmates. There's such a great sense of community here. We all started this journey with a shared passion, and every day we're pushing each other to get better. It's challenging, it's intense, but it's one of the most rewarding experiences of my life. I get to live and breathe pastry in the city that perfected it. So, that's a little peek into my life as a pastry student in Paris. It's not always glamorous, and it's a ton of hard work, but being able to create something beautiful and delicious with my own hands is a feeling like no other. Thanks so much for coming along with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures from my baking journey. See you in the next one.